Variables explained. With real examples. What does variable mean? A variable is a place in memory where you store a value so you can use it later in your program. It is called a variable because its value can change. In simple words, variable equals a container that holds data. It means a variable is a name given to a value, used to store information, used in calculations and logic, changeable during program execution. So, variable equals name plus value. Example idea. Age equals 20. Here, age is the variable and 20 is the value. Why it matters. Without variables, crossmark you cannot store data. Crossmark you cannot reuse values. Crossmark programs become hard-coded. Crossmark no flexibility in programs. With variables, checkmark you can store user input. Checkmark you can change values. Checkmark you can do calculations. Checkmark programs become dynamic. Real-life examples of variables. Think of variables like labeled boxes package. Example 1. Box label equals age. Value inside equals 25. Example 2. Box label equals name. Value inside equals Alex. Example 3. Box label equals price. Value inside equals 99.99. So, label equals variable name. Item inside equals variable value. How variables work. Step by step. You create a variable. You give it a name. You assign a value. You use it in your program. You can change its value later. Flow. Create means assign means use means update. Types of values stored in variables. Variables can store numbers, 10, 25, 3.14, text, hello, world, true, false values, results of calculations. So variables can hold data needed by your program. Example scenario, real life, shopping app example, variable, item price equals 50, quantity equals 2, total equals item price times quantity. Here, item price stores the price. Quantity stores how many items. Total stores the result. This makes the program checkmark reusable, checkmark flexible, checkmark easy to change. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often forget to give meaningful names. Mix numbers and text wrongly. Use variable without assigning value. Misspell variable names. Think variable is fixed forever. These happen because variables must be defined properly. Good practices for variables. Checkmark use clear names. Age. Total score. Checkmark do not use random letters. Checkmark keep names meaningful. Checkmark change values when needed. Checkmark avoid confusing names. Bad. Crossmark X1, Y2, Z3. Good. Checkmark user age. Checkmark total amount. Checkmark student name. Real life analogy. Variable is like a name tag on a bottle label. Bottle label equals variable name. Water inside equals value. You can change the water. Keep the same label. Same with variables. Value changes. Name stays. Important point. A variable stores data, can change its value, helps programs remember things, makes code flexible. Without variables, crossmark programs are fixed. Crossmark no interaction. Crossmark no logic. Simple definition. Variable equals a named container used to store and change data in a program. Summary. Variables. Checkmark store information. Checkmark can change values. Checkmark are used in calculations. Checkmark make programs flexible. Checkmark are basic building blocks of programming. Without variables, crossmark no data storage. Crossmark no dynamic behavior. Crossmark no real programs. With variables, checkmark programs can think logically. Checkmark programs can handle data. Checkmark programs become useful.